To this point, our instruction has covered cost containment and associated policy provisions that protected the insured, as well as the insurance company. You learned about how the coverage process works, and the many benefits offered through HMOs, PPOs, and major medical coverage. We've also explored basic plans, the precursors to modern coverage, and learned that these policies, while very minimal in nature, didn't have deductibles or co-insurance. As the health insurance market grew, HMOs and PPOs were created, which gave people more options than indemnity-based insurance coverage. Another area covered has been the numerous preventative care measures that carriers have actually embraced. It took a while, but insurers learned that if they spend some money up front in an effort to prevent an illness or limit its progress, it can save them money in the long run. Now we're going to take on the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, or the Affordable Care Act for short. It's also known as PPACA and Obamacare, or the ACA. The Affordable Care Act changed the healthcare landscape dramatically. As you're aware, the act was intended to protect consumers against common problems with health insurance, such as pre-existing conditions being excluded from coverage. It also limited insurance carriers from taking a hard stance by refusing to issue policies for those with more medical problems than others, and from canceling or not renewing coverage for what the carriers consider to be high-risk insureds. For instance, those that had too many claims. For some, the ACA was, and still is, a contentious piece of legislation that needs to be scrapped or rewritten entirely. For others, the ACA was literally a lifesaver. Regardless of opinion, the ACA changed dozens of laws, and insurance companies have had their share of opinions on its effect. We'll also take a short look at Medicaid. These are state-run programs that provide medical and dental benefits to those at or below the federal poverty line. We'll get into some more details about Medicaid in a later lesson, but this information will explain how the ACA changed Medicaid. The last of this section considers HIPAA and its protections under the law. These are most notably the privacy rule, fraud prevention, medical records, communication, and what's known as creditable coverage that has provided those changing or losing their jobs with a safety net when new coverage is obtained.